Good afternoon, student. Today we will see our remaining topic of the special senses called hearing. The ear is the organ of hearing and equilibrium. Ear is divided into three parts: external ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. External ear again divided into three parts: pinna, external auditory meatus, and the tympanic membrane. External ear also divided into three parts: pinna, external auditory meatus, and the tympanic membrane. Pinna collects sound wave. External auditory meatus, it is 2.5 centimeter long and conducts sound wave. Tympanic membrane reduces hearing by 5 to 20 decibel and it have perforation. Then we goes towards the middle ear. Middle ear also contain three bones. Middle ear is the air-filled cavity in temporal bone. Temporal bone present in the brain, and it is an air-filled cavity consists of three small bones called ossicles. First is malleus, incus, and stapes. These are the three smallest bone in our body called ear bone: malleus, incus, and stapes. Then inner ear. Inner ear contain two parts, one within the other: bony labyrinth and perilymph. Perilymph is fluid-filled cavity. Again it divided into vestibule, semicircular canal, and the cochlea. Vestibule is a fluid-filled cavity. Semicircular canal are three in number: lateral, posterior, and superior. In notes, I given a diagram of this. These are fluid-filled canals concerned with maintenance of balance. We see in the definition of ear. Ear is the organ also of equilibrium. So this semicircular canal is concerned with the maintenance of balance. And third is the cochlea. It is a coiled tube 35 mm long and it have 2 to 3 rounds. Then organ of Corti. It is a primary receptor of hearing located on basilar membrane extending from the apex to the base of cochlea. Organ of Corti contains hair cells or auditory receptors. Then we will go towards the mechanism of hearing. This above information is all about the ear. Ear have the external three parts: external ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. In ear is divided into three parts: external, middle, and inner. External ear contain pinna, external auditory meatus, and the tympanic membrane. Function of the external ear is to collect sound wave and pass to the middle ear. In middle ear, three bones, small bones: malleus, incus, and stapes. And from middle ear, hearing goes towards the inner ear. Here the vestibule, cochlea, and the semicircular canal. Then organ of Corti. It is a primary receptor of hearing located on basilar membrane extending from the apex to the base of cochlea. Organ of Corti contain hair cells or auditory receptors. Mechanism of hearing. Sound collected by pinna. First steps of hearing is sound first collect by pinna, which is a part of the external ear. Then it travel through the external auditory canal. External auditory canal also present in the external ear. Then it strikes tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane also a part of the external ear. Then from this external ear, sound goes towards the middle ear. Vibration are transmitted to ear ossicles, which are present in the middle ear. Then from ear ossicles, movement of stapes. Stapes is the last bone of the middle ear and causes perilymph to move. And due to perilymph is present in the inner ear. And from movement of the perilymph, it changes pressure and then it transmitted to the basilar membrane. It move up and down and called pulling and movement of hair cells and due to movement of hair cells, stimulation of the fiber is present. Hair cells present in the organ of corti. Organ of corti present in the cochlea, which is present in the inner ear, and it stimulate seventh nerve, and stimulation of the hearing goes towards the brain. This is the mechanism of hearing. Simple. First, sound collected by pinna, it travel through external auditory canal, then it strike tympanic membrane. From tympanic membrane, vibration are transmitted to ear ossicles. Ear ossicles, last bone of the steps, movement of steps are caused, and it causes perilimb to move and causes pressure changes. After perilimb movement, pressure changes occur, and sound transmitted to the basilar membrane. Basilar membrane move up and down and causes pulling and moving of hair cells. Hair cells present in the cochlea, which is the part of the organ of corti. Movement of hair cells occur, and due to the stimulation of the seventh nerve occur, and sound goes towards the brain. This is the way how mechanism of hearing takes place, and above information about of the ear. Thank you.